In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log out on Alibaba in 2025 with a simple step-by-step guide that will ensure you know exactly what to do. Whether you're using Alibaba for business or personal reasons, sometimes taking the time to securely log out of your account is essential to protect your information. So let's dive right into it. First and foremost, you'll need to navigate to your web browser and type in alibaba.com, or if you have it bookmarked, go ahead and click on that link. Once the homepage loads, you will probably see the familiar interface with its vast array of services and product listings. Now, if you look towards the top right corner of your screen, you'll spot your profile icon. It might display an avatar or simply the word profile. This is your gateway to managing your account. Click on that profile icon. Doing this will open a drop-down menu. This menu contains several options related to your account settings. The option we're interested in today is log out. It's located among the choices in this drop-down menu. When you find log out, go ahead and click on it. After you've selected the log out option, the website will process your request and you will soon notice that you've been signed out of your account. You'll be redirected back to the Alibaba homepage, confirming you're no longer logged in. This action ensures that your account is safely logged out and other people cannot access your account details without your credentials. And there you have it. You've successfully logged out of Alibaba. Remember to always securely log out of online accounts when you're done, especially if you're using a public or shared computer. This small step can give you peace of mind knowing your information remains safe. If you encounter any issues or unexpected messages during the process, ensure that your internet connection is stable and that you're using a compatible browser. Sometimes clearing your browser's cache can also resolve any glitches that could prevent you from logging out properly. Thank you for taking the time today to learn how to log out of Alibaba easily and effectively. If you found this tutorial helpful, feel free to like and subscribe for more guides on navigating online services with confidence. Be sure to stay tuned for more upcoming tutorials designed to make tech-related tasks as straightforward and hassle-free as possible. Happy surfing, and see you in the next video.